Well, I just got a new tool. It's the JobMate rotary toolkit from Canadian Tire. These things are on sale for $9. They're you save 20 bucks on it. Well, 30 actually, because they're $29.99, and then you add tax, it'll come up to like 30 something. It's 1 year warranty, and I still didn't open it up. It's sealed over here. Let's see. So I'm gonna try to open it up. Never looked inside yet. The owner's manual, or whatever you want to call it. There you go, the owner's manual. The 30 piece or 36 piece. You have the little package thing. So it doesn't package thing keep it fresher, whatever. Throw that away. These are all the pieces that come with it. I'll open it up right now. There you go. You get all these pieces over here. You get these little things right here. Hit the little wrench to change them, I guess. You get this little thing right here. You get little spongy things, or whatever you want to call them. They're kind of hard. You get like sanders. You get all this stuff. I guess this is a little thing right here. And then you get the machine, of course. This is, you can see it, a JobMate. You can't see it, but you could. It has the speeds. It has 6 speeds, I guess. Now let's go to the window. Maybe you can see it better. Yeah, see, it has 1 speed, 2 speed, 3 speed, 4 speed, 5 speed, and 6 speed. Yeah, it's a pretty nice tool to have. You can cut stuff with it. Mostly for like hobbies and stuff. You can cut anything with it, I guess. They're actually pretty cheap, these things. Mostly they're $29. Well, $29.99. And this week they're on sale for $9. So they're pretty good to have if you need to cut stuff. Yeah, well, today is January maybe the 11th or the 12th. I think it might be the 11th. And it's Sunday. It's gotta be maybe around 4:30, 5 o'clock. It's kind of snowing, but not really snowing. See the chimney up there? A lot of smoke, I guess. Yeah. Alright, I just lit the fire up. It was dead. And yeah, well, we're going to cold start my snow blower. It hasn't been started for maybe for about a few weeks. Give it an oil change because the oil was pure black. Right now it's not bad right now, but it's getting black because I use it a lot. And I had to make a redneck repair. Well, you might call it a redneck repair. See this wire right here that goes all the way. It goes to this handle right here. Put the chute up and down. Well, these things right here, with my fingers, there's like a little aluminum or nickel, whatever the hell it is, little thing that hooks up all the wires, and the wires have been breaking. So I got a clamp, one of those tighten up clamps or whatever the fuck you want to call it. These clamps that you tighten up. And that's how it keeps the ones that are broken from yeah, and it just keeps it from breaking more than little wires. Well, I'll start it up for you. It's a full tank of gas, I think it has. Put some gas in it, and so maybe it's really cold out here, so we'll fire it up. There we go. One pull. It's all it needs. Yeah. There you go. It started up in one pull. This snowblower is kind of pretty cool because if you get stuck or there's like ice where you're snowboarding, or if you get just stuck, you could put this thing in neutral. That's how I do it. I put the gears in neutral right here. Then you might not be able to see it, but there's this little locking mechanism over here that locks up both tires. So if you're stuck, you put this thing on, and it makes both of these tires turn. Oh, the garage just opened. I guess my brother's gonna come out or something. Yeah, my brother might be coming out. So yeah, this snowblower has like a locking device. It's actually pretty cool. But it's better if it's not locked, because you can move it around better. See, when it's locked up, oh, there you go, it's locked. See how you can't move it? Well, but when it's unlocked, you can move it easier. Watch how easy it is to move now. See? How easy it is to move it now. So this is kind of weird. The garage is just opening by itself and closing by itself. But I think it's my brother in the window just fucking around. So yeah, snowblower's kind of cool, but I like to keep it unlocked so it's easier to turn. Because if you lock it up, it's hard to turn. It doesn't really want to turn really good. Yeah, so there you go. I showed you my snowblower starting up. And my new tool that I got. Just got it today. So thanks for listening. Yeah.